Hello, my wonderful people. You are welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so it's me again, your girl, Lady G. If today na your first time when you dey come across this my channel, abeg not forget to support me at the end of this video. Just give me a thumb up and subscribe to this my channel so that you go dey get more video. Thank you. So the tori wey I carry come for una today na about wetin dey happen for Nigeria now. No be say na now e happen. This thing don dey happen frequently. This something don dey occur every time. The thing don dey tire me. The thing dey vex me. Na the tori now I bring come for una today. Make una sef still see this something. This woman wey una dey see for here, so this woman na Imo State na she come from. Why I talk am? Because na so the news take talk am say she be woman from Imo State. E never too tey when we hear one story about one same woman when e come from Imo State. Una see one woman now when the video go viral, when e carry one small pikin of about 4 years, carry am draw am comot for back of one small motor wey e dey use, one small blue motor. I no know which kind motor wey e dey use. This woman na carry this pikin and e lift am up, then e give the pikin space, the pikin land for ground. What a heartless human being we have on earth here. This one na just dey ground now. They say police dey parade am now. The story still dey ground. The something still dey viral. E never finish. Another one still happen. This woman one dey look now na still same from Imo State. This woman na this pikin now one see so. This pikin dey stay with am. This woman tell this pikin say make e go fry dodo for am. Na this pikin come test for inside the dodo. Just because the pikin eat small for inside that dodo, na this woman carry this hot oil. E throw am for this pikin body. Make una see human being. Why this thing come dey rampant for Nigeria? Mothers, abeg, person when e know say e no fit take care of pikin, make e no born children for everywhere. If you no fit protect yourself, e get the way wey you go take count yourself, count your ovulation period, count your time when you dey your monthly cycle, know before you meet. That to dey born children take am dey make saraka for people. Una no dey hear the things when e dey happen for Nigeria. This woman carry hot oil, e throway am for this pikin body. Without she no feel anything, she no feel that pain, she no. This one na woman wey be say she get her own children. Just because pikin test for dodo. If pikin test for dodo say make e chop dodo, that means say hungry dey kill that pikin. That means e no dey even dey feed that pikin well, e no dey give that pikin food well, na im make that pikin eat for that something. Even though say anything wey get as wey be say get as e be anyhow when e be, e warrant for this woman to exchange human life just because of dodo. People are so heartless. I don't know why this kind thing come dey rampant for Nigeria, because the thing wey make her dey talk am be say I hear say, I think dem say our government say we get this law wey concern child abuse. So why dem no dey put am to effect? Wetin make the thing no dey work? They just only talk and say this thing dey, but the thing no dey work. Why dem no put this thing to effect? The way they take put that law say they wan put this hate speech, the way they want to put the law make it strong, make everybody dey fear. Why they no put that law like that for this child abuse, so that anybody wey be say before you collect pikin for person hand, you go dey think twice. Before you collect pikin for person hand, you go know say this one na the consequence. This one na the gbege wey you go follow am later if you treat this pikin bad. Why people are so heartless? And the thing wey dey pain me for inside, most of all these people, they are mothers. They know the pains of childbirth. They know how dear children dey to us, we wey be women. They get mind, they go dey do this thing. And if I may ask, if all this thing wey dey happen, where their husband? Most of all these women, they are married people. The one me I don hear recently now, most of them are from that Imo State. Na so Imo women from Imo State, na so dem wicked. Women from Imo State, na so una wicked. This woman wey do this thing, na this boy na is lying there in pain, dey for hospital for there. This same woman, e dey waka freely without no charges. Nobody ask am wetin e do. This pikin is dying slowly, is there in the hospital. Wetin make me I dey share this video now be say somebody na himself see share this video come say abeg make dem help am publicize this woman, make dem show this woman to the whole world, make dem share this video until when this thing go reach where police IG dey, go reach all these human rights when e dey for Nigeria, when dey protect children, until dem go see am, then dem go bring this woman to book. E go bring this woman to book, because all these kind of people, we need to fish them out small make we take them dey show example to other people, because this thing is getting out of hand. Because this kind of woman wey do this kind thing to this pikin now, if they no take iron hand for now, this woman is still ready to do more. Because with that pikin, I pray God make God no let that pikin die. If e be say that pikin die, definitely somebody wey still be poor person wey no see food chop, e go still give pikin to this same woman, and we no know wetin this woman go do to that pikin again this time around. All these things are because of poverty, because of the poor governance. Because if to say we no even get birth control. Me I no talk am. One person fit born 15 children until one pikin no come out again for inside that belle, na dem go stop. Because if to say we get good economy and things dey work out fine, person no go born pikin say no fit take care of am, you come go give person make person help am take care of am. Then most of these people na if dem give these children to them now, they hoping that maybe dem go put them how to learn work or dem fit put them for school. Most of them dem no dey do am o, dem no dey do am. Dem go only take the children, only food wey dem go give them chop, only food na be the thing wey those children go gain for them. They go take them dey work, take them dey do house girl, do different yama something. And when they don take them do that one no even too matter the beat. And the abuse when they go through for their hand, the thing is painful. If you see some of all this video of all those things, all this video of this child abuse, when all this guidance, our people when they stay will take children, other people children they stay for Nigeria, their video or their picture, if you see some you no go fit look am. E get one when I see one day when I see am, this girl maybe I just put the picture for una know wetin I talk. This girl, one of this girl, may I put the picture make una for really understand what I talk. This same girl, whether na im mama abi na im madam when e dey stay with, this woman beat am, whether na cane take flog am, nobody, na only God na him know wetin dey happen for this girl body now. E beat this girl, this hand now e come swell up. As the hand swell up now, since dem no treat anything, the hand come swell up to so tey I think na dey say the hand come even don dey decay. Maggot dey comot for this hand. Na this small pikin now go buy something, the other one hand wey im get na im dem give am money make e still go buy something come. Somebody come see am, good Samaritan, the thing come touch am, the thing come pain the person, because you see that picture as alone sef, the something dey horrible. I don't know, I no fit show some things here because you know this YouTube they get their policy here. Then this good Samaritan na come see this small girl, he come go report, he come dey ask the girl question. If you see this hand wey we dey see now, pus dey comot, maggot dey comot, human being, small pikin. Even if you see the pikin chest sef, you see am say hungry wan kill am, so bone. Why human beings, why are we so heartless? Why are we so heartless? Why are we so wicked? Wetin make us get this kind mind? Wetin make us be like this? Wetin make us dey look fellow human being like meat? Wetin make am be say all the frustration wey we get now, these innocent children body na we dey put am, when e be say the real people, when e be the real thief, when e cause all this problem, when e cause this poverty, when e cause this hardship wey una dey for Nigeria, they dey there, they dey eat, they dey collect money for una head, they collect tax, collect different things. Their children dey go the best school for uptown here. Una no put the frustration for their body, una no dey talk, una no dey raise una voice. Then when the frustration don too much, na these innocent children una go come dey maltreat them, una go come dey put the pain. Many people when they do this thing, no be say na people wey no really see food chop. Because if you see this woman picture now, no be person wey rich, but e no be like person wey be say e no see food chop. Na just act of wickedness. People are heartless. Abeg, if you watch this video finish with this woman face and this thing, make una dey share this video, make una share am until the law wey dey Nigeria. I know say na yeye law they get, but at least they still dey try small when e come for children something. Until this picture or this girl, when this girl or boy, when this woman pour this oil for her body, this woman one and they see, so until the picture will reach the police IG hand, e go reach their hand for police station, e go reach their hand for human rights and people when they protect children for Nigeria, e go reach their hand, they go see am, so they go handle this woman just as they take handle that second Imo woman. When he carry that pikin up, he lift her up, he give the pikin space, make the pikin land for ground. So we need to dey take them, dey show example, so that other people when he get all this bad intention, when he get this bad mind, they go dey think twice. So my people, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to publicize this video, so that this woman go surely come, go pay for wetin e do. So my people, now here now go round up my video today. I hope you enjoy my video. Please don't forget to give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to this my channel. If today is your first time of coming to this channel, please just support me so that I will grow more. Thank you very much. And if there is anything that I'm doing that is something when be say I no do it well, or something when be say you don't like the way I dey talk anything, just let me know. Because if you don't correct me, I know will feel perfect. You correct me so that I will know I'm ready to take correction, so that I will fit please una, I will fit talk to una or talk video one and like una will fit dey enjoy my video. So my people, have a blessed day, happy new year, compliment of the season, enjoy yourselves, take care of yourself and have a blessed day. Bye bye.